Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and as you can see, I have completed another page for hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Patty over at Life with Patty. Um, yeah, this week was, I had a kind of cool idea, um, and I hope you guys enjoy it because it was something in my head and I had to put it on paper. Okay, so as you can see, I kind of mimicked a piano on my page, and you can't really see the paper because it's white. And I took strips of white paper and I staggered them on my page, and then I took black strips of paper. I rounded the edges just like the white paper. I think if I brought it close, you could see, the white paper staggered on my page. And then I took black soot, I inked the edges, and I kind of scuffed up the paper. And then I stamped a music note that I had in my stash stamp, and I used my speckled stamp, and I called it a day. So, so it is a piano. It's a musical instrument. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I can't wait to see what everybody else has done. I've seen some really creative ideas, and at least I didn't, well, I still stuck down paper and glued it on. But it's a piano. I love it. I think it's a cute idea. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.